Hey y'all, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my nighttime routine. So I am just coming home after a full day of running errands, and I also stopped by the market to go grocery shopping. But to be honest, I didn't do too big of a grocery shopping because I was getting ready to fly out that next morning. So I bought just enough stuff to prepare tonight's dinner. So when I first walked into my home, of course, I have to switch out of my outside shoes and get into my house slippers. And from there, I just like to relax, get the vibe going. I like to play my favorite tunes. And as of now, I've been jamming to this particular song. It's by Young Blue and Nicki Minaj. It's a straight banger. And I also like to take a few moments to lounge on my couch and just relax for a little bit. And this is the time where I will also scroll through my social media, go through my IG. And yeah, from here, I'm just relaxing and taking a few moments to unwind before I go ahead and get started on dinner. So this video is in collaboration with Osea. Big shout out to them for working with me and sponsoring today's video. And they sent your girl so many goodies for me to try out. So I was so excited to try out their new products. And I've also been dying to try out their Unwind algae body oil. And here's a quick close-up shot. I just did one little pump in the back of my hand. And already the oil feels really lightweight. It's non-greasy, which I love. And it just feels really nice against the skin. So I can't wait to use this against my entire body. But we're going to get more into that later throughout the video. But for now, we're going to get started on dinner. So for tonight's dinner, I wanted to whip up something really quick and easy. So I decided to make a shrimp Alfredo noodle. It was very quick to make. And the first thing I'm doing is preparing my Alfredo sauce. So I just threw in some butter, minced garlic, heavy cream, a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And once I got that Alfredo sauce going, I also like to throw in some sweet red onions and sweet peppers in my sauce. And this is the actual noodles that I'm using. It's called Healthy Noodles, and they're available in a lot of places. I got mine at my local fresh market, but you could also find it at your local Costco. I think maybe even Whole Foods or Trader Joe's might have this available as well. But I love to use that noodle because it is very low in carbs, like super duper low. So it is a great alternative, if you're craving to eat pasta, but you don't want to have all that guilt of consuming all those carbs. I would highly recommend the Healthy Noodles. It's a great healthy choice. And after I got my noodles cooked, I also like to cook my shrimp in that same pan. I like to cook it in that same Alfredo sauce. And even though I had pre-seasoned my shrimp beforehand, just cooking it in the Alfredo sauce just helps to give it some more flavor. And that pretty much completes tonight's dinner. This was really quick and easy to prepare. Like I said, this literally took me less than 20 minutes to make. So it's a great meal to make if you don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. And on top, I'm just adding a little bit of parsley, has a cute garnish to add on top. And of course, I gotta have my glass of wine on the side. This is a Cabernet blend. Your girl was starving, okay? So I was ready to bust this food down. So I already had my little setup by my living room area, and usually I love to eat and watch my favorite shows at the same time. So I saw that Netflix recently dropped Love is Blind After the Altar, and I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of the show Love is Blind. So this was just, following the couples after they got married. And to be honest, It was a little slow, it was a little bit boring, and I think I only watched like the first 2 episodes. I didn't even watch the whole season of it because, yeah, I was a little bit bored. But if y'all really want to watch something that's crazy, right now on Netflix, you have to check out that Jeffrey Dahmer series. Like, I literally binge watched it in one night. Like, that series is crazy. And shout out to the actors in it. Like, they did a phenomenal job. Niecy Nash and the person that played Jeffrey Dahmer, they did a great job. But yeah, I would highly recommend that you check out that show. So of course, after dinner, I gotta make sure that my kitchen is clean and tidy. I hate waking up to a dirty kitchen and dirty dishes. So I'm just wiping down my countertop, my stove top, putting the dishes away in the dishwasher. And I also store some of the food that has leftovers in the fridge. All right, so it is shower time, and I didn't want to bore you guys again with the shower scene. So if you guys want to see like my recent shower routine, just check out my previous video. I went in more detail on what products that I'm using. So make sure to check out this video if you want the full shower routine clip. So from right out the shower, I'm first gonna apply my Osea body butter. And I already spoke about it in my previous video, but I love this body butter, y'all. It is so hydrating and moisturizing to the skin. And I also love its thick consistency. So I'm just going to apply a generous amount all over my body. And to seal in that moisture, I'm finally going to go in with my Unwind Algae Body Oil by Osea. And I'm also going to apply a generous amount all over my body. I love to follow up with a body oil of some sort after I apply body butters or lotion, just to help further lock in that moisture. And this body oil also has some great nourishing properties to it. It has Unwind algae, which is going to help give your skin that nice healthy glow. And it's also infused with a botanical oil blend to provide a deep moisture, as well as white lupin flower to help firm and improve the skin's elasticity. There's really something soothing about both items that I love, and I feel like it complements my nighttime routine. It's perfect to apply at nighttime, and I also appreciate the fragrance of both items. It has like a light, subtle fragrance to it, and the fragrance of both items really give off this calming and soothing effect. I don't know if it's that seaweed algae fragrance that I'm smelling in the items, but it really just has me in a calm, relaxed state. So I am loving this right now. And with the body oil, y'all, it's really like the cherry on top. And y'all, just get into the skin. It's giving glowy, healthy, radiant, melanated skin, okay? These items are all the way given for me. So now that I'm nice and moisturized, I'm going to switch in to my favorite robe at the moment. I recently bought this. I'll make sure to leave the link to this down below as well. But y'all, this robe is just, it is just all the way it, all right? Whenever I have this on, I just feel so bougie. And, you know, I'm just modeling it for you guys real quick. Ain't it cute? But anyway, y'all, I'm just going to continue the rest of my routine. You know, I'm just brushing my teeth real quick before I go ahead and go to bed using my Sensodyne toothpaste. And I'm also going to use my tongue brush as well to complete my oral hygiene. So moving on to the skin, I'm first going to apply my Osea Hyaluronic C Serum. And of course, you want to make sure to apply this on freshly washed face. So I'm going to take 1 pump of the serum and apply it all over the skin. And y'all, This serum feels really nice. I love a good hyaluronic acid serum because it is very hydrating, and I love to put that moisture and hydration back into the skin after I cleanse my skin. So yeah, this is doing what it needs to do. Next, I'm also going to follow up with their C Glow Overnight Serum, and this is the AHA treatment. And I figure, you know, why not try this out as well? I'm going to try out literally all the items that they sent me. And this is a great treatment to do, especially at nighttime, because a AHA treatment is a great exfoliating treatment to do. So you want to make sure to do this at nighttime. It's supposed to give your skin a nice glow when you wake up in the morning. So this was actually my first time trying it out, so I can't really give you like a full review on it. But so far, I will say I like the texture of it. It has a subtle fragrance to it. It's not strong smelling, and yeah, it just feels really good against the skin. And for under the eyes, I'm also going to apply their Ocean Eyes Eye Defying Eye Serum. And y'all already know, if I'm being honest, I don't really care for eye serums or eye creams. But, you know, every now and again, I do like to apply some product under my eyes, you know, just to prevent any dark circles or fine lines under the eyes. And I really do like how this feels. It feels really hydrating under my eyes. And I also like the applicator. It has a nice roller applicator feature. So it was really easy to apply, and yeah, I plan on using it more often, a couple of times out the week, to see if I see any result from using this eye serum. And lastly, I'm going to apply their Biotic Water Cream Face Moisturizer. And first thing right off the bat is I really like the texture. It's in the middle. It feels both like a cream and gel moisturizer. It's like right in the middle. And I actually really like the texture of it. It feels really hydrating to the skin as well. And after I was finished applying this, baby, it gave your girl a nice radiant look. Like, look how glowy my skin is looking right now. My first impression of their face products is I love them, and they're a win for me. So I'm about to get ready for bed, but first I wanted to share with you this new water carafe that I got from Amazon. And y'all, this is like next level for me. I always get thirsty in the middle of the night, so I thought this was a great additional item to add to my nighttime routine. And it also came with a cute glass attachment to it, which was so clutch. So I'm just gonna add some water to it, and you know your girl is extra, so I just decided to add a few slices of lemon to it along with some mint. And y'all, this item just makes me feel so bougie. It's just a great additional item to add by your bedside, so whenever you get thirsty, you know, you don't have to wake up in the middle of the night and go to your kitchen. You already have your water by your bedside, and you could just reach over and quench your thirst. So that is pretty much it for my routine. I'm just gonna go into bed right now. I wasn't ready to actually go to sleep yet, but I do like to chill in my bed and just continue to unwind and relax and go on my laptop. I like to watch, you know, a Netflix or YouTube video. I don't have a television in my actual bedroom. I was planning to get one when I had first moved in to add to my bedroom, but to be honest, I do like the idea of not having a television in my bedroom. It allows me to be way more productive during the day. I don't really have a reason to stay in my room and watch TV all day in bed. It just forces me to get up. And the fact that I don't have a television in my bedroom, it really makes a space for me to just come here and sleep. I don't have any distractions. And yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it that way and not add a television to my bedroom. But yeah, you guys, that was it for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this. Also, if you guys have any video suggestions, any requests that you would like to see in my channel next, let me know and comment down below. And yeah, y'all, until next time, I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.